Good morning everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is a very special one because we get to take a first look at the new 2022 Nissan Z. I'm standing right in front of it right now. Let's go ahead and check it out. Showed up to our local Cars and Coffee this morning. So I can confidently say this is the first one I've seen out anywhere. I haven't seen a dealership car. The only one I've ever seen is at SEMA. But man, this in red looks amazing. It is a manufacturer car still, so I'm not sure if it's a customer car or someone that works for Nissan just gets to bring it out. Shows down here for some advertising, but man, they do look good. Here's a quick look at the interior. You got the big old screen, red leather and like Alcantara in there. That's super cool. This one is an automatic, so it's got the little gauge selector. That's a unique design as well. Got the 3 pods up on top. I mean, this is the latest and greatest car coming out this year, and it's got a JDM Legend parking next to it. So compared, sitting right next to the GTR, it looks oddly similar in size and shape. I didn't really ever notice that before, but these two things probably are more closely related than we think because they share that Nissan bloodline. But this car, of course, coming out of the factory with 400 horsepower, I feel like this car will have a lot of aftermarket modification potential. But man, updated interior, very much updated exterior. I spoke with, I believe, the person that is driving this car around, and he said that it is a press vehicle loaned to him by Nissan. So that is super cool. Nissan, where's my press vehicle? I'll drive the beep out of this thing for you. Oh my God, an Enzo! There are a lot of other cars at the show other than the Z. Let's take a look around this humongous lot filled with cars and see what else is here today. So we got a McLaren and a Ferrari, both with Lambo doors. I cannot believe that they made a Ferrari with Lambo doors. It's crazy. I'm just kidding, everybody. This is the C8, if you didn't know, with the Lambo doors though. Very cool. I actually think it kind of fits this car, despite it being American muscle. It fits right in with the McLaren. Looks like it should have came from the factory like that. And then they got the C7 with it too. And finally, we found a Hoopty brother in Texas. That is so funny that somebody else has the other spelling or a different spelling of Hoopty on their C7 Corvette. That's pretty funny. Starting down here, we got the most beautiful line of Supras you'll ever see in your life. Of course, we have mine, and then the boy Ant Zupra. Both of us are the Instagram Reels boys. We're killing it out there. So shout out to him. Go follow him on Instagram. He's making a lot of content with his car. Then we have a whole bunch more. This one has upgraded turbo, and I believe that's an intake manifold. But they said pushing over 700 horsepower just off those mods alone. I think I want to do this, but I'm not 100% sure. I feel like we could use some welds on the back of the wide body Supra. What do you guys think? Could we fit some like 375s back there? I don't know. That's gonna be up to you guys. Let me know if we should do an upgraded turbo on the Supra in the future on the channel. Because man, that looks good. And then I'd have a reason to pop my hood. But next to him, we have a very clean forest green Supra as well. This was originally gonna be the color that I was gonna wrap mine. I was so torn between this color and the Innosatec turquoise dream that I went with. I'm glad to see somebody else did this. For a stock body car, this is super clean, or should I say super clean. Has a forged carbon lip, and a little extra one on the rear window there. And finally, we have the A91 edition with a GoPro Max on the back, creating that GTA type footage. I want to get one of those as well. Somebody sponsor me. We've also got some supercars at today's meet. We got an R8, a DeLorean, and flip down here. We have the Ferrari F8 Tributo, a Diablo, I'm not sure, probably a VT. I don't really know my Diablos too well, so I can't really tell. Ferrari F8 again, and a 488 sitting right next to it. So at this meet, they have a vast variety of cars. You got your muscle cars, your really fast, loud cars, your fast cars with a little bit of cosmetic modifications. Shout out to this man for keeping them lips clean. We've got classics. We have this truck with the freaking CTS-V supercharged V8 in there. Got the old Camaro with whatever the heck that is poking out the hood. My goodness. You got your supercars, you got your tuner cars, you got your race boxes, you got everything you could ever want all in one place. And I think that's one of my favorite things about the Houston car scene. We got crazy things still rolling in. We got the wild classic truck, and then we got a sneaky snake, the Dodge Viper. Oh no, the cops! Imagine trying to run from the police in one of those things. Oh my God. Now it's time for my favorite part of the video, y'all's favorite part of the video, Send O'Clock. Comes a CTS-V in disguise. Here comes the big turbo Supra. Comes big turbo Mark 5s. Those things are nasty, bro. The LS 240. think this little thing's in for is one long gear. What the dog doing? The new lighting don't sound like that. Fast and loud. Told you. Last but not least, Mr. Drew. Very nice. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed. If you want more of this kind of content, click on screen now, and I'll see you over there.